Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Power Performance elbow grease. This is all-purpose degreaser. Apparently this gets rid of a lot of oil on stuff. This is what it's made for, but I want to test it on the kitchen sink. It's made by 151. That's the brand it's under. It's actually produced by www.elbowgrease.com, so I guess this was in the pound shop. Let's have a go anyway. Right. Smells kind of strong. So let's see how it gets this kitchen sink up. I don't know if you remember watching my YouTube videos on the vids on it was Miracle Spray and what was it, Pink Stuff and oh yeah, so I can't remember the popular one. Ajax, not Ajax, yeah, you know what I mean. But that's pretty good. Yeah. Alright, so let's just let's rinse that through. Let's put the guard. So first thing I noticed is that it's very strong smelling. If you ever see these out, these are like a fiberglass fiber. They're like soft fiber. Oh, you know, I can't get the words out today, but you guys know what I mean. These are brilliant. You get these from the pound shop for like £3 for £1, but they're just excellent for just buffing off sinks and stuff. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. Smells pretty strong. But does a good job. So let's have a quick look at that. Performance solvent free elbow grease. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you later.